Okay, guys, this is going to be the topic for our class of today. You are going to perform the review workshop. And because this is the review workshop, that means it has all the topics we saw along the second term. So you have here, oh my God, you have here the first point that is a notable product. The second, the third, and the fourth are only cases of factorization. And the fifth one is going to be a linear equation system. So what are you going to do? To solve it. In this case, you're going to solve the notable product. In these three cases, you are going to factorize these expressions. And in the last point, you are going to find the value for X and the value for Y. And that will be all. So, okay. So I'm sorry that I cannot be here with you, but I know you can do it alone. This is not hard. This is like way too easy. And so thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind. Remember to follow me at all my social media. You can find me. And don't forget to subscribe and pray for my arm because I'm scared. I'm really scared about vaccines. I hate it. I hate it. So please pray for my arm. So, okay, I see you on Wednesday. Take care and see you in another video. Bye.